Chapter 4 Sri Sai Chaturya, the son of Saint Sri Holy Thread, Personality of Sai Baba, Dictum of Gauli Bua, Appearance of Vitar Krishna Kushagar Stories, Das Ganu Batan Prag, Incarnate Conception of Sai Baba, his first radiant into three others. In last chapter, describe the circumstance which led me to write Sri Sai. So let me now describe the first advent of Sai Baba in Shirdi. Mission of Saints. Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita chapter 4. 7 and 8 was whenever there is a decay of dharma and an assurance of unrightness, I manifest myself and protects the vicious and destruction of the vicious and establish the righteousness. I manifest myself in the age after age. This is the mission of the Lord, and the sages of the saints who represent them appear to be proper themselves their own fulfill the mission. The following some example appearance saints who must have matters in the words and action when spiritual pressure emotion but came later when nobody cares for religious instruction, when everyone brings themselves very learned, when people begin to partake of forbidden foods and drinks, when they under cloak of religion, people including the malpractice, when people belonging the difference among themselves, and lastly, when people think they will think probably right by forceful concern, and thus we front to path of salvation. Thus, this is meditation using the avatar manifest of the right path and leads to that right and truth and light. This also become like showing the right way to follow the slave to liberation in this way many signs. Nagarti Janaga Mukta Bhat Namati Gora Gunga Ekna Tattva Karam Naharani Narisha by Sajan causes water and does a number of persons upon various time and salvation to the people such as Sri Baba came to study. Sri the Holy Truth, the banks of Godavari River in the Ahmednagar district. Very fortunate gave birth and refused to many saints prominent amongst them, being Janeswar Sri also from the Kurapat Taluk of Ahmednagar district. After crossing the Godavari River, Kunapan nearest continues to those 3 follows 9 miles on Arundhanagar boats at the pond studies of several studies of famous as well known other holy places like Yamdu Nation and Amritsar on the banks of Krishna River as the devotee downs of forest and blessed Mangaldev as a Samran Sri Saraswati. So Sainath flourished as Sri and blessed it. Restaurant of Sai Baba it is an account of Sai Baba straightly grew important. Let us see short being a Sai Baba who conquered the samsara which is difficult and hard to cross a peace or mental congress ornament when he reposed the first time he was honest. Of Vaishnava devotees, most liberals amongst the liberals and greatness of essence, he had no love for pleasure, things always engross self-pleasure, which has whole concern, he has no pleasure in the world. Things of world not worldly, but his sense was clear as a method, his speech okay. Remain nectar rich poor was the same to he did not no care of dishonor, honor, dishonor. He was Lord of all being, he spoke freely, much saw them acting and dances, not girls, and heard Ganjabal songs. Still, he served not an inch from the Samadhi. The name of Allah was on lips. So while the world awoke, he slept, and the world was slept. He was vigilant. His abdomen was calm as the deep sea. His husband could not determine or not actions definitely understood. Though he sat in one place, he shall know all transaction of world. His thorough was imposing. He told hundreds of stories daily, but I strove not to miss from much coincidence. He always leaned against the wall and must have walked from morning, noon, evening to Nandi. On the child, but still I buried in the self of the old times. Though Siddha, he advises Nanda. He was weak, humble, he always pleased to the such as Sai Baba and the sovereign Suni. Was Sarvafit with the extent importance just as an favorite around the Eknatha then. So Sai Baba actually blessed or guides leaders responsibility for his devotees and holy kingdom. Sai Baba stayed became Baba devotees and other Brahma Jagan Mukul Dwaraka Madnas Rameshwar. Nashik Vijay Mahakuleshwar Mahavimshan Gorakha with Sai Baba study Veda and Tantra. It quieted samsara, rendered self-realization with darshan of sadhana and talking requiescence. Champagne is not driving any pride, drinking holy water is not destroyed as his commanders or who accepted Udi. Prasad was a purifying, he was a Krishna, Sri Krishna, Sri Rama, his holiness. He was a Brahma, absolute reality. Sai was beyond the power of donors, not digital or letter. He was always engrossed in self existence, knowledge, blessed state was his center. His field of action extended far and wide to Punjab, Kolkata, North Gujarat, Deccan, Canada. Thus famous I was considered to have taken darshan blessed by his Darshan. This, the minds of people were pure, impure, became quiet. They received the same sort of unparalleled joy and grace. There is no provision considered what is said for respect. Dictum of Gauli Bua. The name that you name Gauli Bua was about 95 years also. Ogari Pandit said the 8 months and 4 months as the on banks of Ganges, a donkey, one carrying like a discipline complaints. Every year he made a trip to the economic interest rates about the Lord most. He was this Paternal with an incarnate merciful of Lord and for helpless away was a old duty of Guru and made him get tripped. He testified Saiba with a real Andranath. Vittal himself appears Saiba was very fond of Ramadan singing God name and always uttered Allah Mauling God as Lord on my son's presence continuously. Day and night for 7 days. This called Namasara on Sai Baba Dasguna Maharaja to Nosaki replied that he would do it provided he assumed to Vittal would appear at the end of something. In response, Baba placed his hand. Das considers in this so certainly Vittal would appear, but the devotee must see on devotee. Now, Dharma the considered the work of Rancho Krishna is here. After the Sattva Sutta, Vittal manifested himself in the following manner: Dikshara, social setting, meditation. After spot and saw Vittal, Lucian came and for Baba, the known Baba asked him point blank, did Vittal Patlakam, did you seek him? He was true to run flow, catch him firmly, otherwise he will be little and will. This happened in the morning and noon until darshan. However, shall the 15 to 20 Sabbath the picture tell exactly the figure of the Kabasi oceans in the remembrance of Baba Vatska. The place was also open for all 4 classes. Brahman services Sudra accomplishment Pura service Dharma. Moksha Dharma philosopher Baba Master was not only for 4 classes but equal. Shinta untouched that 4 very accomplished Varaka surprised and later he bought a picture of Uttama placed in the shrine of Akshi. Bhagavandana Krishna's story. Baba Fortress for the Vittal worship is illustrated by Bhagavandana Krishna's story. The father of Bhagavandana was devoted to Uttama. He used to make videos. He had an image of Uttama and worshipped. After his death, he soon stopped flying everything. In order to the ceremony, came to study Baba, remembering his father immediately said, his father and my friends who dragged him here. He never offered any atheist. So he stopped with telling me, I brought him here for shall demonstrate, teaching him to how to worship. Mr. B reiterated to Mandarthana provided the reasons of study with limits of Padan Puru Southern Mustang. Therefore, Dora Council I have come across another differential Dora about Sandri. Page Nandra and Stras. Das Garu and Batin Prayag. The Hindu think that the Bath and holy Tata Pragar was the Ganga and Yamuna made some centuries, thousands of pilgrims go to periodic times have this sky bath. Once Dasgana was brought on a Pragar path and came to Gumar permission to whom the Baba represents not to travel so far. Our Praga is a believe the wonders of Kunda when Dasgana places for heat. Out come streams of Ganga and Yamuna water from large so of Baba feet. Seeing this miracle, Das Ganu was overwhelmed with feeling and adoration full of tears. Inwardly, he felt inspired. His speech burst into song and praise of Baba and his skills. Incarnate conception of Sai Baba, his first advantage scenery. Nobody knew the points about places, place of Sai Baba. Many inquiries were made. Many questions are put to Sai Baba, other recording this item, but no solid information could be obtained. Practically nothing knows about this. Namadi was not born or in the motors. They are found in the infant's mother of pearls and only being found in the Brahmati in the door with among the case of Sai Baba is similar. The first woman principle saying the 16th under the name Treasury for sake of Murta even then his full knowledge of Brahman. He had no desire of worldly observing this day. He is equipped of Maita Mukti, his feet and old monastery, mother of Manasana. Described him thus the young lad, fair, small, very handsome, seen in the name tree, Sirenas, and the people of village structure the boy practicing in the hot. Plants not many heat cold by the day, so then he was afraid of no one. People are not asking when he was going to drink from his speech is handsome here liquor. He went nobody's door, sat near Mother Sutamas, the trees, scared Baba, regarding the name tree, equally scared. Love it most outly Baba looked very young by his actions, he was really good soul. The important decision of Megna told one day should happen that Colombo process board of devotee people began to ask Deva would he please encourage work for blessed fathers and lad whether to come governors bring picture dig a particular place. It was the bricks are found under the flat stone. When the stone was removed, the corridors in the four summers were burning. The corridor led to the cellar cow mouth safe structure. Wooden boots necklace conversation the glad practice plans over 12 years. People then began to question about the lad's and he put hopes and telling it was a guru place his holy earth and requesting to God all the people then closed the corridors before Mahaspati and the studio site is a resting place of Baba's Guru and posted it before three Vadas. The site and the name surrounding the space bought by the Hari Vinayaka Satya and the site of Satya was scripted. This was a stall restaurant in the kilometers of Lok. The studio power platform was built around the name train lofts where steps were constructed under this restaurant facing south devotees would sit on. It would believe the who bonds and there is nothing fearing gods very happy in this mother's older. This needed replace the necessary repairs and relations in base and sun. After some years, another Vada Dixit Vada constructed Dixit from farm they had gone to England had injuries. Accident that the injury could not be healed by means and another based to try Sai Baba saw Dixit in 1909. Requesting to cure the lameness of mind rather than his life. He was so pleased to Darshana Sai Baba he decided to resurrect and built a Vada himself. Other devotees, the foundation of building later in 1910. On this day, two important took place. Mr. Davi was given permission to return home. The night Aarti church was commenced. December 1910. Dikshit was completed in April Ramanamani 1992 rights and formalities. Still another Vada was put by the famous millenary Sri Ram Day of Nagaraj was spent in the Million building and terms utilized Sai Baba resting Vada. This now called as Samadhi Mandir. The Saradha Mandir from the garden which was watered and looked like Baba Thrivada